Now we'll see how to draw a line. The previous, when explaining previous concept only, I have like tried drawing a line. We'll discuss that in detail now. So you can access the line command from the tool ribbon right here. You can just pick that line command. Now you're supposed to specify a start point, the first point of the line. I'm specifying this as the first point of the line. As I take the cursor away from the first line, so you can see the length of the line changing, right? So it is 44 now, it is changed to 45, right? You can keep just panning away from your first line, or you can just type the desired dimensions. I'm typing 40 feet now and enter. So now you press escape. Now this is the line command or a line which is executed. There's one more method we can access the line command. You have to just type line. Once you type line, your command gets activated. So you can specify the first point and you can type the desired dimension and press enter.